Our famous baby wipe container. Who's gonna get it? Okay. How far is Miss Yellow going with it? Now blue. Now Miss Yellow still got it. Sound like the announcer, right? For the horses. Who's gonna get it? Okay. Who's got the Miss Purple now? Between Miss Purple, Miss Lilac, and the Yellow. And Miss Yellow got it. Nope, Miss Lilac got it. Oh, Miss Purple got it now. Run. Mr. Blue. Hi, Mr. Blue. Mr. Green is having a massage. Massage envy. Yeah. Alright, they ripped that plastic they ripped. We need to get one with a little bit stronger plastic on it. It's going into shreds. Oh, it's totally ripped. Oh, we need to get a container, plastic container, plastic wipes. Who's chewing on the house? Oh, somebody's chewing on the house? Oh my. Pink got it by a tiny little thread. Run with it, Mr. Green, run with it. Hi, Mr. Blue. Hi, Mr. Blue. Hi, Mr. Blue. Well, then you have your own little towel, right? You have your own little towel. Oh. I need to get outside. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What? Ouch! Oh, it's hand. Look. Ouch, you guys are really vicious little puppies. Biting. Yeah, it's a camera. You can bite the camera. You want to bite the camera? Huh? You want to show your teeth to the camera? Yeah, and the tongue and everything else? Yeah. Who's licking it? It's Sunny giving kisses. Then he's nose giving kisses. You too? Oh, you want to eat it? It's going to be your mouth in the camera. Yeah, look, your tongue, your teeth, everything. You're choking your sister. Oh my goodness gracious, you're choking your sister. Stop it. Hey, Sunny. Hi, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby, you're the trouble. Yeah. You're the trouble. Ay.